prosecutors in his criminal case are basing their claims on the lyrics of Grammy Award-winning rapper Young Thug. In connection with YSL, an Atlanta-based organization and rap label that the prosecution claims is also a street gang, Young Thug was accused of taking part in criminal street gang activity. Young Thug's social media posts and rap lyrics, such as "I never killed anybody, but I got something to do with that body," according to Fulton County District Attorney Fannie Willis, are nothing more than an admission of guilt over a beat. On the other hand, critics draw attention to the unfair treatment of violent lyrics in other genres and point out that using frequently exaggerated rap lyrics to imprison predominantly Black and Latino musicians is problematic from an artistic, evidential, and potentially racial standpoint. Evidence or artistic expression. Rap lyrics being used as evidence in court is a topic of ongoing discussion. Critics contend that they are not literal and that people who believe they are do not comprehend or value rap as an art form. Critics contend that using lyrics to disparage rappers will inhibit originality, instill a fear in rappers that doesn't exist in lyricists of other genres, and unfairly discriminate Black and Latino artists. Rap lyrics might not be admitted into evidence at trial as improper character testimony in some situations, according to Federal Rule of Evidence Rule 404. That example, it would appear to forbid a prosecutor from claiming that rapping about violence or drugs proves you're a violent person or a drug dealer based on the lyrics. Rap lyrics about drugs, violence, and gang membership have, however, frequently and effectively been used in criminal trials. For instance, the sole issue in dispute at trial in United States v. Foster, 1999, was whether Foster knew drugs were in a duffel bag he claimed to have been transporting for someone else. The appellate court decided that the prosecution's use of handwritten rap lyrics discovered in Foster's notebook to demonstrate that he knew the bag contained drugs and that he intended to distribute them was appropriate because the lyrics demonstrated his familiarity with drug terminology. The court upheld Foster's conviction. Next steps. Rap lyrics are increasingly being used as evidence in court cases, and lawmakers have started pushing legislation to stop this practice. The Restoring Artistic Protection Act, or RAP Act, is a proposed federal law that would amend the federal rules of evidence to establish a presumption restricting the admissibility of lyrics in criminal proceedings and require a court to determine, without the jury present, whether the lyrics in question were meant to be taken literally or represented a confession to a real crime. Similar laws have been established in California and New York, but their effectiveness is not yet known, and rap lyrics are still being used as evidence. The government will likely use Young Thug's lyrics, which are scattered throughout the indictment, to support its argument that he participated in a Georgia RICO, Racketeer-Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act, gang conspiracy. There is a chance that the government's case will fall victim to the dubious justification that Young Thug has violent songs, he is aggressive, and consequently part of a street gang even if the majority of the evidence is unknown. A jury has not yet been impaneled. How those lyrics are used by the prosecution and whether the judge ultimately admits Young Thug's lyrics as evidence will be watched by all sides of this discussion and will almost certainly add to the ongoing debate of whether rap lyrics are a valuable source of evidence, a form of art and creative expression worthy of constitutional protection, or something else entirely. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.